blending, the technique of gently intermingling two or more colors or values to create a gradual transition or to soften lines. The tools we'll be using today will be a HB graphite pencil and a blending stump. We want to make sure that we're adding those values in real lightly, holding our pencil a little bit further back to really just get the graphite on there. Then we're going to take the blending stump and begin to smooth out those values. Remember, blending deals heavily with making sure that we're smoothing out those values from one to the next. We shouldn't be looking to see any lines in this work. This isn't hatching or scumbling, but this is blending. So we want to make sure all our values and tones are blended out smoothly and evenly, and that we are applying more pressure to the darker areas and less pressure to the lighter areas to make sure that our values are transitioning from one to the other. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.